go.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Logan and I are out for a 3-night, 4-day canoe trip. And what a change in weather now. It's 34 degrees right now, about a 10-mile-an-hour headwind. I'm tucked in this little bay right now. And it's raining. Freezing rain and rain. It's supposed to snow all night and tomorrow. So really cold temperatures for this trip. Mid to low 20s at night. But it is all good because we got the big canvas hot tent. And we got a big buddy heater for inside of it. No wood stove. Kept it nice and easy for this trip. And we're going to be toasty warm in there. Got a nice rainbow there. We saw a bald eagle on the paddle in. Now we got a rainbow coming right into the lake. Hopefully those are good omens for us. Logan's out. He's just about pulling into the campsite right now. I'm going to be there in about 10 minutes.
Probably the most gear we've brought in for a trip.
We got some gear.
It's pretty awful. We just...
She's up.
So we are cheating on this trip, folks. No wood stove. We invested in this big buddy last year for ice fishing. So we got to get more use out of it. We only used it, what, like twice last year or 3 times?
Yeah, if that.
If that, yeah. So we got a fan. And this thing is great. You can use it to carry wood as well.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man. Happy dads.
Pretty nice with the big buddy heater.
Dude.
It's
I
very
love,
warm.
yeah, I was gonna say, I love the wood, the sound of it, but the convenience.
Yeah, for this trip is nice.
Wow, the warmth.
Yes, I think we're gonna sit in here, enjoy the warmth for a little while, drink these beers, and when it stops raining, we'll go out and see if we can get into some fish.
Yeah.
We're out for our first trolling session of the trip. We trolled a little bit coming in, but not too much. It's about 36, 37 degrees out. Got a little bit of wind, but not too bad. It's raining right now, but also not too bad. Lightly. If we hook up with a fish, the hands are going to get really cold. We are on. It's got some weight to it though, man. It's either the wind pulling us or it's a really big fish. This feels like a pike. It's gotta be. It was jumping out there though. I mean, pike do that, but getting ready for the run at the boat. What is this? This can't be a bass. Oh, he's foul hooked, that's why. Decent smallie. Foul hooked on the top of his head, and that's why he felt so big. He's healthy though, he's thick. It's gusting. Oh no! It's really bad right now. I'm trying to hope I don't hook up with a fish. Wow! Logan's fighting a fish right in front of me. What you got?
Pike. Decent. Not a monster. That wind is ripping, man. Oh, it's just a bass. Just a bass. Nice one though. We'll see. Oh, Smalley. We'll take him. Nice fighter.
It's raining pretty good now. Getting a little garlic butter on the bread. We're gonna make grilled ham and cheese, tomato soup.
They match each other, so.
It's a sandwich right there.
Oh yeah.
There you go. We're gonna eat this lunch and then we're gonna lay down and take a nap for a while. It's not fishable out there, and both of us got about 2 hours of sleep last night.
You might notice there's no boats here. Where is my boat? Well, I'll tell you where my boat is. John's in my boat because John's boat floated away while we were napping. Oh, let's see if we can find him down here.
Some dummy lost their boat out here by themselves on the lake. Some idiot didn't secure it well enough and it just floated away. Well, I'm gonna tie off to it. I got a tie on mine and tow it back.
Oh, there's John.
Found a new boat.
You found a new boat? Oh, dang, that thing's sick, bro.
Some dummy lost it.
Fish finder, wow, you got hooked up too, man.
I got some new marks on it too.
Do ya?
You can see it was just sitting in the rocks here.
Just grinding for a minute. Man. Oh, there goes a couple more marks.
On that note, we need a drink.
You deserve one after that.
Oh,
holy cow.
The crazy thing is, before we laid down for that nap to go to sleep, Logan said something about, wouldn't it be crazy if one of our boats was floated away or something like that?
Oh. Spoke it into fruition, man. You're not supposed to, if you put stuff out in the world, it happens. You shouldn't do that. Somebody was there to go get it, luckily. That's the only pro to these couple of situations. Not bad, bro. That's good. I like the first one to have a little bit of that kick too. It's good.
Pretty nasty outside. Logan and I were gonna go for a troll. I just went out and did a few casts. It's bad out. It's cold. It's raining. It's windy. We're gonna hang out in the tent for a little while. We're gonna have smoked sausage and sauerkraut and pierogies for dinner.
I know.
That's gonna be good.
We actually have a few items that we plan on reviewing during this trip. One of them being a flashlight, and we actually have some fire plugs that you might have noticed us using in these last few trips that were sent to us by Bigfoot Bushcraft. We haven't done a review because we want to use the items. This is the first time we've had the flashlight out, and we will go over this a little bit more in detail here in a little bit. So
It's the Armatech C2 Pro. It's the Wizard C2 Pro. It's pretty nice.
it's impressive.
Yep.
It is definitely impressive.
It's gonna be great for us for what we do. If you're a canoe tripper, this is the headlamp you might want to get. It's pretty nice.
All right, let's cut these into pieces.
Heat up pretty good for these. Already smells good.
And you know what else is nice cooking in here? That you can feel the heat coming off that stove.
Yeah. We'll let this cook down. We'll get the pierogies off. We'll throw the sauerkraut on with the sausage. It's going to be delicious.
Oh, yeah. All right.
That's good. That's good. That's a pretty nice meal.
Oh, yeah. Good for the guts, we said earlier.
Yeah. I love sauerkraut.
Mustard?
That's good. I'm good.
Yep.
Alright guys, dinner was delicious. Logan and I had a couple drinks. We hung out in the tent for a little while. Gonna head in, we're gonna hit the hay. Walk you guys into the tent. Floor's a little dirty now, but it's nice in here.
It's definitely good and warm.
Yeah, it's nice. We're both finally up. We slept for 12 hours. We're gonna make some coffee, some breakfast. Then we're gonna start the chili cooking. You wanna get onto a troll or?
Yeah, let's go to a troll.
Before the wind starts blowing?
Yeah. We'll knock that out.
Yeah, see if we can get a fish before the wind starts blowing again. Tomorrow's gonna be a nice day. We're out for a troll. I'm getting into my spot now. Logan's getting on the water. We thought the loons were already gone for the year, which is pretty early. But I just saw one out here. No vocals at all. It's 35 degrees out. It's a light breeze.
I've got one on. Trying to stay out of my other line though. Little bass. Might be it's all that's out. Let's see. Oh, 18-incher. We'll take them for now. We're looking for the pike though. Oh man. Bass are fighting hard though. Holy cow. Nice, man. I always say, when I get that fish, it allows me to really enjoy that coffee in the morning.
Now that I'm out here in the middle of the lake, you can see all the peaks are covered in snow. Not even the real high peaks, but the tips of the low mountains around the lake are white. It's pretty cool.
So I had this thought that if I bought Pike Place roasted Starbucks coffee, that maybe we would catch a bunch of pike.
This would become Pike's Place.
Yeah, but I don't know.
It doesn't seem like that.
Doesn't seem like that. But we haven't fished hard. Hard enough. It's hot too, man. Be careful.
Oh yeah, that is good.
That was really good.
Time to start the chili. Chili in the hot tent's the best thing you can do.
That looks good, man. Oh yeah, that's freaking good, man. Wow. Dinah are about to go give her another whirl. We'll make a few more rounds and we're gonna head back into this bay. Go try our luck out there. Trying to time it just right. We're gonna have a tailwind paddling down. We're gonna kind of make a loop and circle around these islands. Do a little fishing around them, and by the time we loop around, the wind's supposed to die down. So if we time it just right, we should have a fairly nice paddle this evening.
We paddle all the way down into this bay at the other end of the lake. We went over so many marks, but no fish. But it was a beautiful paddle, and it looks like it's going to be a really nice sunset tonight. You guys see that moon rising? I think it's full moon tonight. It's pretty incredible. Wait for Logan here. Oh, man. That is impressive. Oh, no fish. It's good and dark now. It's reeling in. Check this light out. This light's really great, this headlamp. I can do this because it pops right off of here. And there's a mount right there. Comes with like a handlebar mount, and I can put it right on the thwart and just backlight everything. This headlamp also comes with a little mount that you can clip onto your jacket or your backpack. Really is perfect for what we do. You can clamp it onto a trekking pole, a small tree, a sapling, just about anything. It pops right off of there. And it's just a flashlight also. And the end of the flashlight has a magnet, and you can stick it up under the hood of your car. It's a great everyday flashlight. It can withstand a fall from 30 feet onto concrete, and it's waterproof to like 33 feet, I think. It's really nice. Back on the head. Look at that sky, guys. We love being out here when the moon is full. It's pretty nice. Look at this full moon through the clouds, guys. This is crazy.
Looks like a flashlight.
Oh my God, the whole lake is lit up. Look at this.
Dude, you could go fish this, and it's so calm out. That's the other part, is how calm it is.
It's pitch black night, but look at this. It's a special night.
Literally don't even need a headlight.
Look at the colors down here through the camera.
Oh, through the camera too, yeah.
Wow.
Wow. That looks awesome. Oh, it's even brighter through the video. It's so silent out right now. It's crazy.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. We can just see a beaver swimming down the lake. I wish we could get him to splash his tail.
You can hear him breathing. Top of the morning. Oh, what an amazing night we had. That was awesome last night. That was definitely the brightest moon I've ever seen in my lifetime. There were some of the pictures John got. I mean, it looked like it was daytime. It was so bright.
Just went over a nice little boulder with some fish on it. Good size fish too. If we don't get a bite here, then I don't have too high of hopes for today. Oh, we're on. Yep, got him. Come on, bro. All right. Let's get him on this side of the boat if we can. Stay out of our other line. I think it's a bass. Oh, this could be a pike. Ooh, nice bass. Decent bass. Nice little smallie. They fight so good this time of year. See ya, bud. We came across the lake to come look at the new lean-to. Pretty nice. It doesn't look new though. I think it is. They just didn't build it with the new kits. Yeah, it's new. Beautiful sight. Look at that view of those mountains, snow peak tops. Just scouted out about 3 campsites that we want to come to next. Next time we come here, bring the kids. Some nice wide open campsites. The one with the new lean-to is pretty nice too. Right now we're going to go fish a weed bed for a little bit and then go back in and make a late breakfast.
Let's add the sausage. These are actually still kind of frozen. You like pepper, right, Sarah? Oh, yeah. That's a meal.
That's a feast.
That's gonna be a feast, man. We ate good this trip so far.
We're out for the afternoon or evening fishing session. Last time we went this way, now we're gonna go this way. Fish a different bay. See if we can find some fish that are hungry, because we found lots of fish, but they're not hungry. They're not eating.
Got something with the spinner, John. I don't know. I can't tell yet. Woo! Oh, yeah. Nice one too, bro. Woo! Sweet. Relax. Nice, thick, healthy one. Wow. Fatty, bro. Nice, huh? Let's see. She's about a 32. Big old belly.
I think we picked up a fish. Yeah. I saw one back there pointing up off a rock. I think it's a bass though. Staying down. Yeah, it's a bass. Oh, a little smallie. Nice little bass.
Another pike. Nice. Got another slimer. It's smaller than that last one, yeah. About 28. What's up? I got a fish. Oh, nice. Really? Yeah.
I got a fish as I was reeling in, watching Logan.
Well, he's lucky. He was almost inside.
Nice little smallie. I'll take him. My other line snagged good.
Well, we had a tragedy at war here, folks. John lost his fishing pole. While he was dealing with that bass, when he went to go grab his paddle, he accidentally knocked it in the water, and he's trying to drag something across the bottom to catch it. The water, it's so murky. It's like it's got this green, and you see it. He lost it in around 6 feet, but you can't see down there.
Yep, lost that rod. About $275 with the gear over the side of the boat. I've been wanting a new rod anyway. I'm more sad about the reel. And I had a $15 lure. A brand new braid. We're both really excited tonight for the Supermoon. We decided we're going to pack up the hot tent tonight because it's warmer today, and we're going to sleep in the lean-to. We're pretty much back to camp right now. Just casting a little bit here on the other side of the campsite. Logan got a couple pike, I got a couple small bass, and -1 fishing rod and reel combo. I had a little bit of money put aside for a drone. Get some nice aerial shots the rest of this fall and next season. But it looks like it's going to be a new rod and reel combo instead. Good this night. It's pretty amazing. I'm not sure which side is better. Can you guys see the supermoon that just rose? Just came up above the mountain. It's so amazing.
The supermoon's looking crazy already.
Did you see it pop up over the mountain? We're about to head in. Lots of fish out here, but nothing's biting. Beautiful sunset, beautiful supermoon rising behind me. And check this out, that's behind me, the supermoon. Watch this. Look at that. We're about to start our first fire of the trip on the last night. Watch the supermoon out here. Logan's getting some kindling ready. We got a nice wood pile already set. And we're going to use these Bigfoot Bushcraft fire plugs. These were sent to us. They work great. We usually use tumbleweeds but one tumbleweed is the size of like 10 of these. So these are nice if you're going an ultralight trip and birch bark is not available to you. They work in water. We got some set in water. Been sitting here for a couple hours in the water, so we're going to give them a try.
All right, let's try one of these. They've been sitting in the water for a while. You kind of, so after you, just so you know, if you do get these pretty basic, bend it back and forth, and they're going to do these kind of circular, and that's what the directions tell you to rub them together.
You want to expose those inner fibers.
Yep, get these fibers exposed.
Super easy. Those are sitting in the water for like 2-3 hours, guys. And they'll stay lit for a long time. Great product. We would never say a product is good if it isn't. I promise you.
Cheers, man.
That moon is crazy. I thought last night was big. That's the moon's nuts. Yeah, no. Last supermoon of the year. That's that. We were just saying how last night was nicer though with the clouds. I think it was brighter too because the moon lit the clouds up.
Yeah.
And the clouds lit everything else up.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Smell good. Hasta la vista, campsite. Till next time.
As usual, the nicest day is the day we're leaving. It's just dead calm out here. Still a little smoke on the water. Really nice paddle. Perfect temperature right now.
That's it for this one. John and I are in the river now. It's gonna be hard to leave today. It is beautifully calm again. Crystal blue skies. But until next time, take care and be well.